Welcome back to this simple, straightforward tutorial on this platform on how to start affiliate marketing with zero capital. You don't have money yet to invest, but you want to learn affiliate marketing. You want to learn online businesses. There is only one way that I know, and that's what I want to share with you today. In this video, I want to show you a platform where you can quickly begin to learn anything online, anything whatsoever. And that platform, I will drop the link below so that you can just enter through the link fast without wasting your time. It's called Online Monthly Income. Online Monthly Income. Can you see? It's asking you, are you still struggling to make money online? Would you like to see how we make $500 every single month? Now, on this platform, very straightforward, you make money online legitimately for beginners and for intermediaries who are just starting and you don't actually know where to start. If you come straight to this platform from the link below, you will instantly get access by putting in your email, and then your login detail will be given to you. And on this platform, you have access as a free member. You have access to expert trainings in 20 plus online businesses that are experts on this platform that have been chosen to teach you on anything you want to learn in the internet. Businesses like blogging, affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency, e-commerce, and so on. So what are you waiting for? Here is how the members area look like. You see things you can learn for free. When I mean for free, it is for free. Blogging from scratch to success, website design and development, affiliate marketing, tycoon, freelance, e-com, mega business, Facebook ads machine. You can learn any business whatsoever, making money with PLR, YouTube ads, and so on. Here's what people are saying. I've been on the platform for some time like this, so I've been buying courses from the owner of the platform, so I know what I'm talking about. You can see I'm seriously impressed with this value-packed information on how to make money on JVZoo. This is awesome training. Thank you, sir. See what people that have gone through one training or the other on this platform and discover that, wow, something is actually going on here. So what do? You will get instant free access to expert trainings on top strategies such as how to start your own online business, how to run high converting Facebook ads, domain flipping. You can see affiliate marketing, you can see email marketing, you can see how to build your own stunning website in 10 minutes. Wow, this is amazing. Templates on webinars, on public speaking, anything, even trading, investing and profiting with crypto, drop shipping, and some other ones. Even ClickBank. If you are you should be interested. But that's not all. Now listen, see this one. Our members are also making real money with us over and over again, month after month, without selling any product or promoting any offer. These are earnings, different earnings. There are people earning 2,000, 17,000, 3,000, 4, 6, like that, like this. It's continue. Can you imagine? So all you need to do to join this platform is, I told you from the beginning, it is free. Just enter your name and your best email address below to access our free expert trainings. Just put your first name here, put your email that is working, and then click on yes, send me my login details, and immediately you get your login detail. You're free to begin to enjoy what is inside here. Even from the beginning, as you enter, there's another way you can earn money here. Immediately you enter like that, and you get to some of these sign-ups that you need to do, because there is a Facebook group that you are still going to join. As you comment, as you like videos, as you like comment, as you put up valuable content on that Facebook page, you may be among those that would get the highest contributor package. Because for anybody or for a group of people that contributed well in the group, in the Facebook group, there is an amount of money that is given to them. That's another way of earning on this online monthly income, and some other ways. But all you need to do for the first thing is to put your email and your first name here. I believe you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy it, why don't you give it a thumbs up. Check the description box for the direct link to bring you to this place, so that you can enjoy these benefits that are attached to this place, to this platform. And immediately you just comment in the comment section and write something for me that, oh, I have logged in, or I have joined the group, so that I will send you a free gift that I reserve for those that join through the link I'm going to give to you. You enjoyed this video, put a thumbs up, like. If you are new here, subscribe, smash the notification bell so that you can get updated immediately another video is released. Keep winning.